Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got this quick video walk around of this petrol hybrid Toyota Yaris Cross. Now, as you can see, you get LED daytime running lights. You also get full LED headlights and 4 front parking sensors. You then, coming around to the side, also get these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, all of which are in great condition. And I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of design pattern walking round. Coming to the rear now, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've then also got a little reversing camera just up at the top there, which does make this thing a doddle to park. We've then got a fully electric tailgate, which you can see just here, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. To lower the tailgate, simply press the button up top and it will drop the tailgate back down like so. Coming round to the side now, showing you the last remaining alloy. As you can see, we have got your black leather with your cloth brown and Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round, all of which are automatic. You've also got keyless entry and start as well. Coming inside the car now, we've got your electric handbrake with auto hold. You've got EV mode, traction control off, and your drive mode just here. You can, of course, choose between eco, power, and normal. We've got your CVT gearbox in the middle as well. We've got 2 front heated seats, dual climate control, and then we've got your nice touchscreen display in the middle. As you can see, you've got your various sources at the top. We've then got full satellite navigation, which you can see just here. And then to top it off, we also have your Bluetooth hands-free. Coming over to the steering wheel now, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free controls just there. Voice assistant and volume. You of course have your onboard computer controls in the middle. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control settings, track select, and then of course we've got your lane keep assist and front radar on the front bumper, which you can control just there. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 10,061 miles. Jumping outside, just showing you the last remaining alloy now. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Yaris Cross, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.